The goose that laid the golden eggs. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer with his wife. They owned a special goose. One day, the goose laid a golden egg. The farmer became very happy and sold the egg. A golden egg. The farmer and his wife would then sell the egg. They soon became rich. The couple became greedy. They thought that a big piece of gold must be inside the goose. If they could have all the gold together, they would become richer much faster. They killed the goose and found that she was like every other goose from inside. There was no gold inside. They started crying, all due to the greed. Moral of the story: too much greed gains nothing.